Hey guys, welcome back to 2 Minute Coder. Today we're doing Leetcode problem 46, which is permutations. So just take a moment to pause the video and read the question. Alright, so for this what we're going to do is first declare our return type. It's going to be a list of integers. We'll call this perms, short for permutations. This will be a new array list. So instead of declaring, it'll be initializing. Alright, and we will add an empty array list to perms. Like so. Okay, and for each number in nums, so for int n in nums, we're going to first make a data structure called new permutations, because every time we go through a number in nums, we're going to update the current permutations that we've computated. Alright, so list of list integers, we'll call this new perms, and it'll be the same, a new array list. Alright, and now, so for each number in nums, we're also going to go through each permutation in perms. Alright, so for each list integer, call it p, in perms, we are going to go through p. Okay, so this is going to be a simple for loop. So for int I is equal to 0, I less than p dot size, actually less than and equal to, because at the start where we have a empty array list, the size is going to be 0. So for our first iteration to kick off, it's going to have to be equal, right? Because if this is 0, we have to do equal to, because I is also 0. And then do I++. So when going through a specific permutation, we first want to make a copy of it. So make a copy of p so we don't mess with the original one. So this is just going to be a list of integer and say p copy. Okay, so this will be an array list with values of p. Okay, and basically what we want to do is at each index of p copy, or actually at each index of p, we want to insert n. Right, insert n into p copy. Right, because the index that we're taking is from p, but we are inserting n into p copy. Right, so p copy dot add index I, we want to add n. Right, so add index I, add n, and then we want to add this p copy to our new perms. Okay, and then over here, every time we go through an original permutation, okay, and move on to another number, we want to update perms. Alright, so perms is going to equal to this new perms, because as you can see here in this loop, we are going through each permutation in perms. Okay, so once this is done, meaning that for a specific number we have computed all of its permutations, when we are moving on to another number, this list of new perms is going to reset. Right, so every time this resets, or before this resets, we are going to add those values to this perms. Right, these permutations, and then at the end we just return perms. So let's submit, and perfect. So again, for this code, I recommend that just copy and paste this into ChatGPT and ask it to go through a solution iteratively, because that will better help you understand how the code works at each iteration. Right, so that was Leetcode problem 46. Hope you guys enjoyed and subscribe for more.